Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back to the vlog. And if you're new, welcome. We are blessed over here at Tracie's Place, and if you subscribe, you're going to be blessed too. As you see, I have a visitor with me today. My husband had on black and white too, so I said, come on out and join me. So he came on out and obliged me on my after church little photo shoot that I do, and we had a good time doing it. I had not been feeling good the past couple of days, but I was feeling well enough to go to church, and I felt good during church and everything. And then after we were on our way to eat, I started feeling bad. But y'all know a good meal always perks me up. So anyway, let me bring y'all along to Cheddars. Y'all, I think Cheddars has one of the mid-range restaurants' most prettiest atmospheres. I love the little turning fans or the upper part of the ceiling that you just saw. And then they have a beautiful aquatic fish tank at the other end and a lot of greenery, and it's just so pretty. And the food is here. Those buttered rolls, those honey butter rolls are so good. So we got an appetizer because we were just so hungry. I had a headache and I took some ibuprofen and dug into the appetizers, and almost close to the end of that, y'all, my headache was gone. And I got some not rib tips, but beef tips. My husband got shrimp Alfredo, and it had broccoli in it, and we enjoyed the meal. It was so good. And if y'all notice, I don't have my glasses on, so that was probably part of the reason why my head was hurting. This was the first day I've worn contacts in a while. Yeah, I finally got some contacts, so I have to get used to them, but I'll try again next week. But I'll make sure to bring my glasses with me in case they get uncomfortable. But overall, today was a pretty good day. Hey fam, so it is Thursday. It is, what's the date? It is Thursday, November the 5th, I believe. So if that's not the correct date, I'll put it down here. But it is Thursday. I'm about to start editing the vlog for this week. I still don't have my issues settled with my Mac. So I don't know how long this vlog is on today because I don't know what problems I will face as I start. But as you all know, the past 2 vlogs, I think it's been, I could not put a lot on the videos because my storage keeps running out. And they can't, well, when I took it to the Mac place, to the Apple place, the guy could not, he didn't know what the issue was. He said, it looks like I have enough room, but I just keep running into the same wall when I try to edit. So my kids keep telling me, Mom, you just need a new Mac. You need something with a terabyte or something. I think I said this last week, but I know not everybody watches some of the stuff on Instagram and my TikTok and stuff like that. So I have to get a new Mac, as I understand. So I'll probably have to get a Pro, and the Mac Pros, they are made to handle what a YouTuber does, especially if they make a lot of or longer vlogs and stuff, which I'm going to try to cut down like I have been. I've cut down on the minutes of my vlogs lately. And I think it's better, you know, a shorter vlog is better, and just try to pack some good stuff in it. I try to, at least. Some people don't like the longer vlogs. Some people do. It's hard to try to get a happy medium for everybody, but it's easier for me when I kind of make them short to medium length, if that makes sense. It doesn't take me as much time, and then the vlog is just kind of not, I film too much. And my daughter tells me that all the time. Mama, you try to get too much into the video. Just hit what you need to hit. And so I'm working on that. But anyway, as far as my Mac issue, I just have to get a new Mac, and it is November. And yeah, I'm not about to just splurge on a Mac. A deal is coming up, I should hope, for Black Friday, and I'm going to get as much money off as I can. So I am waiting for Black Friday, and I'm going to try to get a good deal on a Mac Pro. Don't want to buy another. I love my Mac, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. So I'm going to be getting that. I have been a little bit under the weather twice this week. And well, first it started last week. On last Friday, I wasn't feeling good, and I didn't know why. and I was thinking it was food poisoning or something like that because of the way I was feeling. It didn't feel like a virus like type of thing. It felt like either like salmonella poisoning or something like that, because my stomach was cramping. I had a headache and stuff like that. So that lasted a couple of days. It would let up, and then it kind of went back and forth for like a good 3 to 4 days, but I was down a good 2 days. So that finally went away, and then 2 days ago I started feeling the same way. So I narrowed it down to it being like salmonella or some kind of I forget the other word for it, but I ate some lettuce, grapes, and strawberries that I had eaten before the last time that I got sick. So I narrowed it down to those three things. So I looked up lettuce recalls, strawberry recalls, grape recalls in October of 2025, and I didn't see anything. So either this is something brand new that's coming out, or I don't know, because I just don't know. I don't know. The second time my husband ate some of the same stuff that I did, he didn't get sick. But I ate the same thing that I had eaten the last time I got sick, like I said, and I felt the same way. So anyway, this week, past couple of days, I've been, off and on. And I got to get better because we got a big weekend coming up. We're going to a concert and we're going out. So I will have that, I hope, ready for the next week's vlog. I'm going to see if I can edit on because I used to edit on my phone, but once you stop doing something, and especially at my age, once I stop doing something and I don't use it no more, I forget it. So I will try to see if I can edit some on my phone, transfer it to my Mac. That way it doesn't take up as much memory and I can still try to edit it. So we'll see. I cannot promise, but I'm so sorry. And I know some of you had said last week, we understand. So thank you for understanding, but I'm going to try my best to get this settled as soon as I can, so I can get back to putting out regular content. If you have not seen, please go on my TikTok and Instagram and Facebook under Tracie's Place. And I have been putting out a couple of little reels and stuff like that on there. So I'm trying to get more active and doing reels and different posts on my other social media. I'm trying to do it on a constant basis. So I'm trying to have that going as well. But I'm still trying to get other stuff like for the business, to keep going on the up and up. So we shall see how all that pans out. But right now I am doing my planner. I did a lot today. It is about 3:30. So I'm trying to get my planner done. I'm a little late doing November because, like I said, I was sick at the end of October. It was a Friday, Halloween day. I usually do my planner for the next month, just, a day or so before the month starts. So it's usually on a Sunday. So whatever Sunday is, like right before the next month starts, is usually when I try to do my planner. But I was sick at that time. So I went to church and stuff, but then I felt bad after church. Then we went out to eat. I felt great, came home and relaxed, and then I felt better after that. But then this thing kicked up here 2 days ago. So that was Tuesday. So anywho, let me show y'all what I'm doing. So this is my daily schedule page in the planner, and it is packed. I just have a couple of things covered just for personal reasons, but it is packed. And I have to have it like this because if I don't have things like time stamped when I need to do it, I will either procrastinate or I'll kind of get things out of order and forgetting about the time and, needing to have this done at a certain time and versus that. So I plan it out so that my day goes smooth. So this is today. And then here's a blank paper I could show you because mine's is just packed and some of the stuff is personal, some of the tasks, But this is one of my to-do pages. And it'll either last for a couple of days during the week, and I'll just use this page for a couple of days. And if it's a light week, meaning I don't have like just a whole bunch of stuff to do each day, this page can last for a week, if that makes, any kind of sense. And I'll just check it off. Whatever I didn't get done on one day, I'll just put an arrow through it so I'll know to try to get it done the next day or what have you. But so it usually lasts a couple days, and like I said, sometimes just the whole week. I still did not change this page from when the kids were smaller. I still have this children's section on here because I was thinking I don't need this anymore, but I actually do because either they'll call me and they'll tell me something I need to remember, or I need to call them about something that I have on my mind to tell them, or to see if Isaiah's done, blah, blah, blah. Say like on my other page that's actually for now in this section, something for Isaiah says, it's time to fill out the FAFSA for college. So I have to remind him to do that. And I need to fill it out also. So there's a parent part and a child part. So we need to get that done and some other stuff, and it could almost be filled up for them, y'all, and they ain't even here no more. So I need this section still. But these are the household chores that I need to get done, tasks for the day. My section, like if I need to wash my hair, if I need to do my nails that day, if I need to do, whatever it is there. And then this is my God section, my prayer, scripture, all that stuff. And if I gotta go somewhere, I gotta run errands or have some appointments, I put it there. Do my exercises, I put down what I did, right here. And I put down what I should do, and then if I did it, I check it off. And if I didn't, I put a big old X. No, I didn't do it. So the vitamins I took, how much water intake I had for the day, what I made for breakfast, lunch, dinner. So I have everything, recorded. So today's goal could just be get everything done, get things done quickly, move fast. I mean, it could just be a myriad of things, just whatever I'm feeling, I'll put it under today's goal. So this is October's page, and then this is November's page. So I have it covered up because I already have some stuff on there, but when I get done with this, I'm about to do it now. So when I get done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I absolutely love decorating my planner. It's just so relaxing to me just to come up with the color schemes. I love to create. So I love coming up with the color schemes for the months. And usually it's something that corresponds with the seasons. And let me get this out right here real quick. Say like right here, these are my little sticker booklets I got from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And so it starts from, this started January, February. So it just has stickers pertaining to, the month and the season and all that good stuff. This was like June, I think, and July. So just stuff corresponding. And then you put your own twist on the page and you come up with something original. And I just love doing that. But I have, this one starts the fall. And it has this. Oops. And then this one. And then this page. So, and then I have a couple of these pumpkins left. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. Because I used some for October. And these are some more feminine stuff that you can put on just to help accent it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. And these are the colored pencils that I use. I have a big pack of 50. And there's a lot of different shades, in this one. So I love this big pack. And if you do not color anymore, if you are stressed or anything, try coloring. They have coloring books for adults. And it's a stress reliever to me. It just relieves a lot of stress. When you open up your creative mind and you just do something, it doesn't even have to be this, but just when you access your creative side of the brain, it relieves so much stress, y'all. If you are just doing something relaxing, whether it's redoing your room, doing an outdoor space, or decorating your house for the season, y'all, it's just so relaxing. So if you're under stress or whatever, take a little bit of time, do something creative, and free your mind up. All right, November is finished, so I'm pleased with the outcome. I didn't do a lot of flourishes and stuff like that like I usually do, so I got a few things I still have left to do today, so I just had to do something a little simple, but I'm pleased. Hey guys, I just came from the grocery store. I came from Kroger's and Aldi's. I went to Aldi's first. So I haven't been to Aldi's in forever either. The total at Aldi's was $62.96, and the total from Kroger's was $44.67. I didn't do the full grocery haul for you guys because of storage issues, but on to dinner. So this is dinner today. We have soup and salad. This is a wild rice mushroom soup, and then this is a salad. And same for me. I hope you enjoyed the short vlog. I'll see you guys sometime next week. Be blessed.